Okay, I just cut my finger. I can't see where I'm taping here. Cut my finger, put some lavender on it, and Helichrysum is supposed to stop the bleeding, so.
Kind of moving around.
Here, hold this. Clean that off.
Do another drop.
It's not bleeding. Granted, it wasn't like substantially pouring blood, but.
It's not meant for gunshot.
You can't even tell. I can't tell here.